Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install and configure GitLab on CentOS 8.1. GitLab is a complete DevOps platform delivered as a single application and is a version control system for tracking changes in your system file. It tracks changes made in files and code. From it you can also revert back to any changes made before. It also reserves the histories what you have been changes made before. So now let's proceed with the installation process of GitLab on CentOS 8.1. First of all, check the installed version of OS. It's CentOS release 8.1. Now you have to install from some dependencies package using yum command. Yum install policy core utils. Yes. Downloading packages. It's completed. Now start and enable the service using systemctl command. Now I have already downloaded the package of GitLab Community Edition. So I'm now moving to that folder. You can see here, I'm going to install it using rpm command. It will take too much time to installation. It's verifying. Now GitLab Community Edition installation is completed. Now I'm going to reconfigure the GitLab using gitlabctl reconfigure command. It will take some time. Now GitLab reconfigured. Now move to the browser and type your server IP address there. After loading it, it will automatically redirect you to the password reset screen to provide the password for administrative account. Create your password. Now you will be redirected back to login screen. So default account username is root, so I'm giving here as a username root. and password what I given earlier. And signing in. Now GitLab CE is ready to use. You can manage your projects here. So this is the method how to install GitLab on CentOS 8.1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.